welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, I wanted to show you guys exactly how to make your digital product business an actual business. Now, when it comes to selling digital products, I have realized one thing, and that's everybody is telling you how much money they have made, how you can start a digital product business, but no one is telling you exactly how to turn this side hustle into an actual business. Now, if you are new here, I am Tiara, and I am a full-time business owner, and I have been a full-time business owner since 2017. So I am not big on just saying this is a side hustle. This is an actual business, and you are able to do so many things as a business owner. So today, you guys, I want to walk you through step by step of how to create your LLC for your digital product business. If you have never created an LLC, if you are not familiar with an LLC, you guys, I want you to know that this is going to be the most simple put together video for you, and I'm going to show you step by step of how to start your LLC. Now, before we get into the video, before you guys even ask, why should you start an actual business around digital products, or why do you need an LLC? When it comes to getting a LLC, this is going to be a limited liability corporation. This separates your personal assets from your business assets. So any money that you make within your digital product business, you want to have that under your LLC. Now, a lot of people never tell you how it is or how to set this up. So I want you guys to know that no matter how much income you are currently making in your digital product business, no matter if you have not even started your digital product business, you need to become a actual business owner. So I'm going to tell you from experience and from my perspective, this is my opinion. Whatever you do is your choice. But what I'm going to tell you guys is, if you actually take this digital product business serious and you start an LLC, you guys, you are able to open up a business bank account. You are able to get business credit. You are able to get lines of business credit. You are able to literally fund your business from using business funding, business grants, and all of those good things, right? So not only can you make money in your digital product business from selling digital products, but you can take that money and you can also start using your business credit so that you can fund more things within your business. I don't know if you guys just need an extra stream of income. I don't know if you want to become a full-time business owner as I am. I don't know if you want to just become wealthy and leave passive income to your family, to your kids. I don't know what you want as a business owner or for someone who is starting this digital product business. But what I will say from experience is, if you actually have the paperwork to show that you have an actual corporation, you are able to do so many more things, you guys. You see different corporations and they're traveling. You're able to actually use your business credit, get travel points, get cashback points, and you're able to write off so many things within your business. Now, I don't want you guys to get confused, and I don't want you to say, well, how do I do this and how do I do that? Now, in the future, I do plan to make more videos to show you guys more on the input of a business owner and actually the back end of a business. But for right now, you guys, I just wanted to give you guys this video, show you what to do and how to do it if you are ready to actually make your digital product business a actual business legally. Now, no matter what state you are in, this is how you're going to do these things. And this is an old video that I made for my other channel that I had, but I wanted to take that video and I wanted to bring that video to this channel because I feel like it is very important and it is very beneficial to you guys. So if you guys would like me to give you more business advice and what to do within your company, make sure you let me know down below in the comments on what questions or what you need more assistance with. So let's go ahead and just get right into today's video, how to start your LLC for your digital product business.
Alrighty, you guys. So the first thing you want to do is go onto Google. Once you get on Google, you want to make sure you type in Secretary of State and then put in the state that you are registering your business for. Now, keep in mind when you get ready to register your business, just because you live in one state does not mean you have to register your business in that exact state. If you stay somewhere and you want to register your business in a different state, as long as you have a physical address, you can do so, but you have to make sure that you have a physical address and that your business will be doing business within that state. So in this demo, I'm going to show you guys step-by-step walkthrough of registering with the state of Mississippi since I am from Mississippi. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it. So when you get ready to go on Google, just make sure you put in Secretary of State in the state that you're trying to register. So on here, we're going to put in Mississippi Secretary of State Business Search. So when you get ready to look for your exact state, you want to make sure that you're going on the direct site of the Secretary of State. You don't want to go on any other website that's going to take you somewhere that may try to charge you an upsell just to do these things for you. So now that we are on the business services, once you're on the website, you want to make sure you're looking at the business services since we're looking to get your business registered with the state. Now on here, for the state of Mississippi, there is no fee to search for business names to see if that business is currently listed within that state. I'm not for sure about other states, but I know for the state of Texas, they do require a fee for so many searches per business name. So just keep that in mind. Just check with your Secretary of State to see if there is a service fee for checking too many times within a business name search. Now, the first thing you want to make sure you do before registering your business of any kind is to do a name search to make sure your business name is available. You do not want to have the same name as someone else, and you want to make sure that that name is available before doing any other documentation so that you don't have any issues in the long run. So on here, we're just going to put in business is lit. Let's just see if that's a name. So as you can see, it's a 0 business names. So this means that this name is available for search. So that means that you can use this name. Whatever your state requires, you want to make sure that you do your business name search before registering that business. Now, once you have done your business name search and you see that that actual name is available in your state, you want to go to the business filings. Once you're on the business filings, you're going to have to register so that you can set up an actual account. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen for a moment so that I'm able to log into my account, and then I'll come back on and show you guys. Okay, so once you are in and you have registered with your state so that you can have your login, you want to make sure you keep your login and your password, because anytime you need to file your annual reports, or if you decide to start another business, you will have to have that same username and password so that you're able to log in. So once you're on here, you're going to see these different things. Now, I'm not here to give you guys any advice on what formation to file your business under, but for me, most of my businesses are under a LLC, and that's because it protects me as the owner of my company. So that helps me to not be established as over my business, so that my business and myself are separate. So none of my assets are together when it comes to business wise. So you always want to make sure that you do consult with your attorney or your CPA to see which business filing may be best for you. So once you're on the business filings, here where it says file an annual report, Keep in mind that each year that you are in business, at the beginning of the year, you have to file an annual report. If your business has been filed with your state, each year you have to update this. No matter if you make no money, you want to put in $0. In order to keep your business active and not have your business to be closed onto their website, you want to make sure that you do file an annual report each year. So that's something to just throw in there. So on the website, you have your name, reservation, and formation filing. This is what you want to look for on your Secretary of State website. You have Form a Mississippi Corporation, nonprofit, LLC, and that's what we're looking for, the LLC. So for me, again, that's what I like to file under. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on this. Now, if you're someone who's not trying to go ahead and register your business with your state, they may have an area where you can reserve your business name until you're ready to go ahead and make that payment for it. So today we're going to form. So you're going to hit the form so that you can form this business. Now, once you're on here, it's going to ask you for the business type, which is going to be a limited liability company because that's what we decided to go with. It's going to ask you for your business name. What did we say? Pace Life. And because it's a limited liability company, as you see here, you're going to have to put in LLC or L.L.C. You have to put this on here if you decide to go with being a limited liability company. It has to be in your name. So as you can see, this name is available. So once you have put in your business name and you put in your business address, you want to come down to the business details. Now with the business details, you have to put in the codes that are required for the formation of your business. So depending on what type of business you're looking to start, this is how you're going to find that code. You just want to make sure that you put in the keyword search closest to your business entity. So for here, they have a list of different codes, but if these codes does not represent your business, you want to make sure that you find a code that's going to actually represent your business. On here, let's see if we can search for consulting maybe. You want to get it as close as possible to whatever it is that your business is going to be under. So here we're just going to put in business startup consulting services. And this will be the code for that. So once you have your code, you just want to make sure you put that code in. You don't have to have up to 3 codes. So don't think you have to have 3 codes because you don't. You only need 1 code. Just depending on what type of business you're starting is how you'll determine it. So you don't have to put in anything here for your business. This is all going to be your information. When you get ready to sign, it should pop up this. So you're going to choose exactly what you are within your business. And on this particular demo, I'm the manager of the company because it's only within my name. So then you're going to put your first name, your last name, your address again, city, state, and postal. Now, once you finish this, you'll be able to go to the next page. And because I'm not actually trying to register as a business, I'm not going to go to the next page, but on the next page is going to ask you to go ahead and submit this form in if everything is correct. Once you submit this form in and everything is correct, For the state of Mississippi, they allow you to go ahead and make your payment online. Now, for the state of Mississippi, there is only a $50 fee. I know for the state of Texas, there is a $300 fee. So just depending on where you're located or where your business will be held, you will have to do research within your Secretary of State website to see exactly how much that filing fee is. But when you go on the Secretary of State website, you will be able to see all of that information before you even register for your business.
All right, you guys, so you want to make sure before you even register your business that you do a check with your state to see if your business name is available before you decide to do this paperwork. You can also check in case your state does charge just for business search. You can also check with GoDaddy and see if that name is available on their website. If that name is available for purchase for that domain, then it may mean that that name is also available. You can also look into looking on Google just to put in that business name to see if anything pops up. And if nothing pops up for that name, then that means that that name will be good for your company. Research and you know if that name is available before going to try to register your business. Again, make sure that you check to see which formation will be best for you, whether that's a LLC, a S Corp, a C Corp, whatever you decide. Just make sure that you do your homework and that you know exactly which formation will be best for your particular business. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.